We are looking at Ethereum trying to push higher, but there is some resistance. Currently sitting at 3671. I would say there is resistance at this 3780 level. That does prove stubborn. And then above that, there's resistance at the 4150. Give or take roughly. Price action has entered a choppy range, testing trader patience, and sellers do keep swiping at every rally attempt, but buyers haven't given up ground that easily. Right now, the market does look like it's just teetering in this delicate balance. It doesn't know whether we want to go up or down. We have been consolidating here for a while now on Ethereum. And if we can break decisively above this blue line, then Ethereum could blast into new levels. Now look closely at these daily volume bars. They do reveal occasional spikes, but these surges haven't been sustained enough to produce a definitive trend break. So let's zoom in here on the 3-month, and you can see that on this 3-month, the SMA 9 close is sitting at around $3,650, but the price right now hovers above that, hinting at budding optimism. Therefore, this moving average can act as a dynamic support area, allowing for potential bounces if this price does retrace. But keep in mind that even a brief dip below this threshold might invite bearish pressure, especially if volume does show panic selling. And yeah, that could happen, man. Anything could happen. Haven't you realized that by now? So another interesting point is how this market has formed this corridor between 3,500 and 4,500. But Ethereum has proven to react strongly when it does flirt with these key boundaries. Therefore, traders might want to watch a break above 4,000 as the bullish tipping point, or a drop below 3195 to confirm renewed bearish momentum. Now take a glance at momentum indicators such as RSI. Technicals are showing a buy. In summary, the oscillators are neutral and the moving averages are showing a strong buy. MACD level is hinting at moderate positivity, but not everyone sees this robust bullish trend yet, and I don't blame them. I don't blame them. We've been deceived before in this crypto game. So with that being said, if external catalysts like upgrades in network functionality or some sort of bullish news emerge, or Bitcoin shoots above 100K, and that might be a good time to segue into Bitcoin. Now, flirting with 100K, Bitcoin is currently sitting at $99,000, give or take, roughly. Zooming in on Bitcoin, noticing the candlesticks, you can see we've had these pushes up, followed by these brief consolidation phases, and volatility does seem to be a little bit lower. Bitcoin going through somewhat of a pause as we zoom out on the 3-month. As we zoom out on the 3-month, you'll see those consolidation phases. But if we can break decisively above 100K, then that will, above 100K, then that might signal the start of a fresh trend wave. So longer term, I think that Bitcoin's fundamental growth does remain strong, but crypto markets are notoriously sensitive to macro factors such as interest rate announcements, regulatory comments, global conflict, geopolitical issues, and more. And therefore, the prudent investor/trader would probably monitor global developments, especially if sudden shifts in sentiment do cast shockwaves across the space, all told. Ethereum's chart does look constructive in my opinion. Bitcoin's chart does look constructive, but it's not without its hurdles. So if we can break through this 100K resistance, expect further tests. Should the price break decisively above 100K, I would look at 108K for the next resistance. Watch those pivot zones for the next big move. I think we can leave it at that. Today's January 5th. It's been real. It's been great.